Yenzeni na.
Iyo, yesexele kanda. Shaba yes Galaxy Shaba. We are very excitement. TS Galaxy is doing extra large, extra hot, extravaganza, extra mural. Yo, basenzele lula mos. Go sashayela zigeme ezibini. Oh, nangoyi baba. Hello sisi. Ngicela ubuza office Mamelodi Sundowns ezo. Oh, okay, good. Yes, uthetha noTumelo Trom. I-speak person sabalandeli be-Orlando Pirates no-president abalandeli bebhola i-Afrika yonke jikelele, every Africa. Shaba TS Galaxy, shaba! We are very excitement. We are cruising nicely. Sorry? No, sizanizanga kuzonihleka ndizothi nje nihambe kahle. Nisebenze pha ku-CAF man, nifocuse ku-CAF, otherwise into eligi sanostressa ngayo man. Zinto zakhona man, anizisoloko niyifumana oko into eligi man, iyekeleni kuthi ngoku kaniyeke nifocuse ku-CAF, ngenzeka ningayifumani naloo CAF. Usekhona? Utropile. Shaba TS Galaxy, shaba! Yo, inamakhona umuntu ocimba singaziluza zombini ezigame ezishekileyo. Yo, andikhaleli kwakuposition yabo.
Leadership. Leadership. Wenza karomponi ndo.
Yakubona.
Kimshap.
Kimnati. Kaloka man, kaloka.
Sama grand my leader.
Kaloka.
The leadership.
C'est part of football, darling.
Not my leader.
But yellow will remain.
Thank you, my leader.
Nkabe yami ngeke i-Orbis College igaya Orlando Pirates i-card of honor. Ngeke inikeze i-card of honor. Even though ngizophendula ngevideo because ubuzile wathi kanjani. Ngincane lokho ngibhala iparagraph ende ngcono ngiyenze ngevideo. Into ye-Orbis College ne-Orlando Pirates ikanje. I-last game of the league, i-Orlando Pirates manje kwi-goal difference inomahluko ka-8 goals. Kwazisi Sundowns iluzile ngo-1 goal margin namhlanje. Ukuthi isino 8 goals i-Orlando Pirates manje enqenqeleza ngawo phambili. Lese i-Orlando Pirates iyawina ngomgqibelo kwi-Durban City ngo-1-0. Iwini Pirates ngo-1-0 ebese beyalingana ngamaphuzu neMamelodi Sundowns ebese i-Orlando Pirates iba ngaphezulu ngamagoli awu-9. This is so impossible. What a damn you. As i-Orlando Pirates obisiphambili ngamagoli awu-9. I-Orbit ingayikwazi ushayela i-Orlando Pirates i-card of honor sangathi i-Orlando Pirates isiyiwinile league. Angizwa manje ngithini sangathi isiwini izobe ingayiwini i-Pirates league kwi-Orbis College. Because i-Orbis College might beat Orlando Pirates ngo-10-0. Impossible, but it is a possibility. Therefore, we can't say Orlando Pirates win the league because Orbit College come to Shufipi. Even ngeno moya we Real Madrid, ngekhathi zayo, yo Benzema, yo Gareth Bale. Even ngeno moya we Barcelona, ngekhathi zayo zo Neymar, zo Messi. Even ngeno Bayern Munich ngensuku zabo zo 8-2. Yabo. Boom, Orlando Pirates ishaya ngo-11-0, 10-0. iSundowns isiwin the league. You see how impossible it is for Ugadosh to lift the league. Instead of lifting the league, they will lift his balded head. Bazoqhubula impandla kaGadoso. Ziyakhala manje.
Wow, a result I don't think anybody saw coming. TS Galaxy ended their 13-game winless run, beating Mamelodi Sundowns 3-2. Sundowns' last game of the season, they will end the league on 68 points. Pirates have got 2 games to go. A win takes Pirates tie on points with Sundowns with a far superior goal difference. The reality is Pirates officially need 4 points, but 3 points will be enough because the goal difference is just so hectic. So would I have to avoid if they win the first game against Durban City, would have to avoid like a 12 or 13-0 loss on the last day. So pretty much a win against Durban City will be enough, but they'll still have to wait for the Orbit game to lift the trophy. Unbelievable scenes. No one saw this one coming. Orlando Pirates this close to a Betway Premiership title. Here we go. What a night. Massive upset.
Ungathuzwe ngami. Thiwa phela uBoy akaziwe iminyaka yakhe. Selokuba mgcine na 7. Abanye bathi akanawo 7 na 3 uBoy. Mina ke nxa ukuthi namhlanje bahambile nama social work baya lapha eMbombela esibhedlela ukuyocheck iminyaka kaBoy. Mabe buye eMbombela bathola ukuthi uBoy una 3. Wavelwa khala kuBoy. Ukhaliswe ukuthi una 3.
Inja madoda, ilegend yala eMsouthen. Was a beautiful footballer, great coach. What people don't understand, you got TS Galaxy into a Nedbank Cup final when the big three couldn't make it. You were there. You might have lost it, but you were there. And I said to you, my brother, I said you need to flip the script. You need to make sure that you end the season on a positive note. Ha! Look at what you've done. Look, you are safe. We all know that 30 points means that you are safe. All of these boys down here, oh, Galaxy, oh, Marumo Kellens, oh, bad cheap. Bonke laba basalele indaba zokuthi ubani ozoya kwizem. Wena usharp. So bona next season, and you ended it on a positive note. You still have one more game to play. So you could be sitting nicely on a nice 34 points by the end of the season. I was live throughout the whole entirety of this game. Not hate watching. I just wanted to see where we will end up as Orlando Pirates, you know, just to understand the database that we need to have accumulated by the time we play Durban City on Saturday. So the promise that I made was that if TS Galaxy, after they had scored their first 2 goals, but I knew Sundowns will come back. If TS Galaxy wins this game, I am going to purchase a TS Galaxy jersey. Not because I'm a TS Galaxy supporter, but it's beautiful, this thing. It's very nice. And just to show appreciation for what you guys have done. So I've just gone to the site to just go check it out. Let me move myself. Yo, hi, hey, whoa. 1.3. 1.3. I couldn't even afford 60 rand or 290 to go to our last home game there, Escotine. Maybe let's wait until the season ends. Maybe they will come out with new jerseys and these ones will drastically go down. But I'm not going back on my promise. It's just right now. But congratulations, TS Galaxy. Congratulations, Bennett Parker. Velase, again, you played phenomenally. And the keeper, Tape.
Chiefs!
But ngisho ukuthi awukwazi ukuthi singatshela uRamaphosa ukuthi kube yiholiday kusasa, public holiday.
Eyani?
Pilot public holiday.